Hello, today we will understand a chapter called The Fun They Had. Now, this chapter is basically talking about future, the kind of schools, actually no schools, and it's written by Isaac Asimov. There will be no schools in the future, he says. According to the author, he imagines and he has written about two children who are studying in their home, and they don't have a school building as such, so there is no place that they can go to study. It's actually a virtual classroom in their own house. So maybe next to their bedroom they have a room where they go and they study for regular intervals of time during the day, and then they again come back to their room. And they have a robotic teacher unlike a human teacher, and all the books that they have, all of them are e-books. They are only the soft copies are there, so there's no hard copy of a book that the children have ever seen. All the learning is happening through computers, and there's a robotic teacher for them. So the story opens with Margie writing in her diary about an old book that Tommy had found. Tommy and Margie are the brother and sister that are being talked about in the chapter. And why they are so fascinated about a new, a book that they had seen. They say it's an old book, and they had seen it. Now, the thought of an old book, something printed on a paper, this was something very, very amazing for them, because in their life they had never seen a book that was printed on paper, and they found it really funny, because on their e-books that they were used to so much, the letters used to move, the page used to move, but here the letters were fixed and they were not moving, so they found it really funny. And the book was very old, very crinkly, and it was a new learning for them, and that is how they find out, and they both discuss that how in their grandfathers, in their great grandfathers' time, there used to be schools where children were supposed to go and all of them would study. A class of say 30 to 40 children was taught in the same manner and by a human teacher. So all these things were different for them, because here their robotic teacher was programmed according to their age and according to their need. So that it was just 1-to-1. The ratio was one teacher to one student. That is one robotic teacher and the student. So the homework submission and everything used to happen to a robot only. So they were really fascinated when they came to know about a school like this, and that is why the title of the chapter is The Fun They Had. They here is his great grandfather and the children in his age who used to go to a school, to a building to study with the other society children, and used to have so much fun, unlike their monotonous and boring routine now, where they are being taught by a emotionless robotic teacher. Thank you.